Hey guys, welcome back to Bok Bok with Cave. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit that subscribe button because we upload everything you need to know about chickens and chicken coops. Thanks, Freckles. Today we're going to be talking about chick food or chicken feed. Most importantly, whenever I build my clients a custom chicken coop, whenever they come and pick it up, they always ask me, what do I feed my chickens? Not necessarily what brand of feed they feed their chickens, but which kind of feed should they feed their chickens. When you go to the big box stores, you'll see chick starter, chick grower, and layer feed. So everyone's confused on what they should buy. So I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up if you're new to chickens, what you should be looking for. First of all, it depends whether you're buying laying hens or whether you're buying pullets, which are typically like teenager chickens that have already outgrown their baby chick era, or if you're buying baby chicks. Sometimes my customers start with baby chicks and they think they immediately have to buy layer feed because they want layer hens. Fact is that baby chicks just need to grow and not to lay eggs yet. Most chickens will start laying eggs at about 20 weeks of age. That's about 5 months. It varies from breed to every breed, but for the most part, if you're buying baby chicks, you're going to want to start with chick starters. What you're going to want to buy. It usually comes in a smaller bag than these bigger bags, but chick starters, what you're going to want to start if you're buying baby chicks. That's usually for the first 0 to 8 weeks of life. And the main difference is that it's high in calcium, and that is for the baby chicks to grow their feathers and grow strong, healthy bones. They're going to outgrow their fuzzy phase and start growing their feathers, so then they can survive outdoors when obviously the weather's right, usually in the spring, summertime. But chick start is what you're going to want to start if you have baby chicks. If you're getting pullets and they're usually 8 weeks of age, that's going to be a perfect time to maybe buy grower feed. So not chick starter, you're going to be looking for grower feed for your chickens. And that's usually from 8 weeks to about 20 weeks of age. Again, that's about the 5-month mark. And this is going to be lower in protein, but it's just going to continue for your chickens to keep growing. You don't need to go to layer feed yet because it's really high in calcium. And that layer feed is so that your chickens can lay a strong, healthy egg. It's going to encourage that egg laying. So you don't want to feed your pullets that are just teenage chickens, 2 months of age, 3 months, 4 months of age, any layer feed, because it's got too much calcium for them. They don't need that. So, or also, I guess the grower feed is also really good to have if you have a mixed flock. If you have a few roosters and hens put together, the rooster doesn't need all that calcium that the layer feed might get. When you get those laying hens, if you don't want to, do the whole growing baby chicks from home, from start, or hatching them, if you do go on some of the websites that sell laying hens already, that means you're going to be getting an egg probably on your first day in your coop here. The layer feed is going to have that high calcium for them to produce those beautiful feathers that they have, shiny feathers, but most importantly, those strong, healthy eggs. We feed our chickens Scratch and Peck feeds, and for full transparency, we are sponsored by Scratch and Peck. But before they approached us to partner with them, we were already buying this stuff for a good while, recommending it to all our friends or even followers or some of my chicken coop clients. So we're really happy to be partnered with them. It's an organic feed, family owned, right out of Pacific Northwest, Washington State. They have everything you need from even grubs to grit, oyster shell, layer feed, chick starter, chick grower, everything you need. You can find it on their website, scratchandpeckfeeds.com. And if you want to save 15% off, you can use our partnership code with them, and it's going to be BokBokBouquet15 at checkout on their website, and you'll save 50% off of your purchase. And remember, just rule of thumb, chick start is going to be from chicks from age 0 weeks to 8 weeks. Grower feed, anywhere from 4 weeks really, all the way until 20 weeks of age, that's 5 months. And then layer feed, 5 months and beyond. You might have to supplement oyster shell or even grit depending on the age of your chickens or whether they're on dirt or grass. But you can find all that stuff right on their website. So if you have any other question, please feel free to leave it in the comments. Send us a DM. We're also on Instagram as BokBokBouquet on Instagram. But yeah, if you have any questions or if you're in the market for a custom chicken coop like the ones I built, please reach out. We're very happy to respond. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. It'll also recommend it to other viewers such as yourself with the algorithm here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.